It's Lynn from Lynn's Crafts Designs. These are the scraps, hold on, left over from the rolled paper beads we did. Okay, the blue, the green, and the black. This is scrap from the earrings we did. Okay, it doesn't have much gold leaf in it, but it's got some. So I'm gonna roll this out kind of as thick as I can get it, and just go across there. And then I'm gonna try rolling it out. So bear with me a second. Okay, I'm gonna talk about this a second. I usually work with polymer clay on a tile or on my glass that's on my desk. But working on this silicone mat does have some benefits. Just like that was not too stuck down to distort it. Alright. Flatten that down. Now this time, it's gonna be stuck. Okay. So I'm gonna roll this through my pasta machine, and I'm gonna roll it and it's on a 3 right now, and then I'll be back. Okay, what I did was I accordion pleated it very roughly, horizontally, I guess you would say. Alright, now I'm going to roll it through again, but before I roll it through again, now I'm going to roll it through. And I'll be back. Okay, now, as I know I need more cutters. You're probably getting tired of seeing the same shapes over and over again. Alright. Alright. Okay. Alright. Okay. I think those are going to make some nice earrings. The rest of this, I'm just going to make some beads, but before I do, I'm going to put a few, oh my gosh, here they are. They are so cute. Excuse the bleached paper. Those are really cute. And I even like the rhinestone studs, even though they're just stainless steel color. And here are the beads. Really like them. It would make an awesome bracelet just like that. Put a toggle clasp on. Yep, it'd be cute. Alright. Now, obviously, the stud earrings came from Temu. I would not recommend those unless that's what you're looking for, is that dirty stainless steel color. That looks like a stainless steel counter that needs a wipe down. But anyway, it's not jewelry color, let me put it that way. Alright, but the rhinestones do make up for it. Oh, those are cute. I've got an Amazon shop that I get a little kickback from if you order anything through that link. The jump rings might have come from there. They're on my Amazon shop list. If I did buy them there. The rest of my social media links are just listed below. Thank y'all so much for watching. I really like these. I'm liking the shape. Yeah, those are nice. Please like, share, and subscribe. Like everybody's video you watch, including this one. Bye for now.